Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Payoneer to PayPal. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, go to your favorite browser and then search for how to send money from Payoneer to PayPal. And then you can see this following option. Now scroll down and here you'll see this one, Payoneer to PayPal Money Transfer Guide. Just click on that. So to send money from Payoneer to PayPal, what we are going to do is to link our Payoneer account to PayPal account. So we have to link these two. So in that way, we can send money from Payoneer to PayPal. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe